Right, number 5. This is the graph of y equals to the function of h. Sketch the graph. Okay, do you still remember the slide where we have the translation, stretch, and reflection? So this is the part. It's about the transformation of a function. Okay. Okay, for shx minus 1, you can check in the slide. Means we need to translate. Okay, it will be translate vertically downwards. Minus. Oh yeah, correct. So from this one, we can just make it down from, okay, downwards by 1 unit only. Okay, let me give you a clearer 1, 2. Okay, from this, we translate vertically downward 1 unit. So 1 becomes 0, 3 becomes 2, 3 becomes 2 as well. Because it is not translated horizontally, so the x will still be the same. We only need to put it downwards. Is I am moving the pencil by 1 unit. Just that. Okay. The size and the overlook of the pen is still the same. I just translate it downwards. Okay. Let's see the next one. Y is hx plus 2. X plus 2, still a translation, plus 2. Okay, this one is horizontal. Horizontally, plus means it's go to the left. To the left by 2 units. Now this time, it will be the y that is not affected, but only the x. So we move it left, towards the left. 2 units become minus 1. We still have this. Okay, from 1, the x of 1, still the same y, will become minus 1. 2 will become 0, and 3 will becomes 1. This is the graph. Point 3. Y is h. Okay, this one is a combination. So we need to translate it. It's the same like previous one. Translation horizontally. Okay, in the real test, you don't need to put in this explanation. Okay, this is just for you to understand. To the left by 2 units, yes. Now this only solves this part, right? While we have another minus 3 here. Minus 3 will be the one like this just now. We need to translate it vertically. Minus will be downward by 3 units. Okay, so we have 2 translation here. From here, since apparently it's still the same, so from here we need to translate vertically downwards by 3 units. Okay, so from just now we have minus 1, 1, 3. Okay, this will go downwards, so 1 minus 3, it will be, the lowest will be minus 2. Okay, 3 will be 0, and then 1 will be minus 2, 3 will be 0 as well. So this is the graph. Oops, don't forget all this stuff. Right. 4. Half of x. Okay, this one is a reflection. Wait. A separate axis for the graph. minus 2, this is stretching. Okay, plus minus only the reflection. Okay, so this one, it is a stretch. A is bigger than 0. Yep, it's a stretch. Stretch horizontally, and then it moves away. Horizontally means it moves away from the y. Y-axis. Okay. We have 3 points from the previous original one, right? 1.2, 1.3, 2.1, and then 3.3. Now we have to translate all these points. Okay, 1, 3. Since we stretch it horizontally, means the y will still be the same, but the x, we need to find it out. So the function of 1 is 3, right? With the x1, the result is 3. But when we do this one, the result will still be 3. So the equation that we can take is minus half of x is equal to 1. So x is 2. Thus we find the next point after its stretch is 2.3. It goes to the same point as the next point as well. Y is the same, so when x is 2, y will be 1. But when function h is minus half x, the result will still be 1 since it doesn't change. So we compare between these two, x will be 4. So the next point, I mean after it transformed, it is 4.1. Okay, 3, 3. H3 is 3. It's 3. So x will be 6. So the number will be 6 and 3. This one will be stretched horizontally, so we have the highest y is 3, 2, then we have 4, and we have 6, 1. 2.3 is here, 4.1, 6.3. Am I correct? Yep, I guess so. Then you just put in the point. 0.1. This is the translation of stretching. Okay. Number 5, it is the same with this way. Oh wait, this is translated vertically. Until here first, okay? So we stretch horizontally for this one. Next one, number 5, y equals 2x. This one is still a stretch. Wait, AFAX, AFX. So this one is stretched vertically. A is bigger than 1. Yep, stretched vertically. Since it's vertically, we move the graph from y-axis. Sorry, x-axis. Vertically, right? So we stretch it away from the x-axis. Let me see. Still the same point as the previous one, but this time x that stays the same. We translate vertically, x will still be the same. So x will still be 1, but we don't know about the y. When the x is 1, the result is 3. When we put in this number, we don't know the result, right? But we do know the number of h1, right? So 2 times 3, because h1 is 3, becomes y. Y is 6. So the next point is 1,6. Next, the next point, 2.1. So h2 is 1. 2h2 will be wait, y. You still don't know, right? 2 times 1, 2 is y, so we have 2 by 2. Now 3, h3 is 3. The 2h3 we don't know. 2 times 3, y is 6. So this is 3.6. Now we do the graph. 1 by 6, this one here, and then 2, 2, 3, 6. Don't forget to put in the point. Yep, that's it. This is number 5. I think you can try to do the 0.6 by yourself, okay? It's f(ax), so this is stretch. Wait, ax, a bigger than 1. Yes, this is stretch horizontally. Okay, the same like the previous one. Stretch horizontally. So I think for 0.6, do find it by yourself, right?